So guys, I'm talking for this part because I feel like it. I'm just gonna say what prizes I got. Wait, why did I click on my profile? Oops. So the prizes I got, I wrote on sticky notes. So let me lower my sticky note down, just because it's so high. What am I doing? Anyway, let's go up, just so you guys can see them. Oops. So these are the items I got: Freedom Bunny hat, candy cane tiara, candy cane crown, tie, blue tie, candy cane tiara, candy cane crown, lollipop necklace, and turkey hat. So these are all the items I got. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe. Oh, before I end, I just want to mark off which one's my favourite. So I'm going to put a hashtag next to the one I like. So I think that's the hashtag, yep. So let me go find it. So basically it's these two, because they're basically the same thing. I'm not sure if I got the same colour lollipop necklaces. Oh no, I've only got 4 more slots. No, one's purple, one's red. So guys, that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, and comment. Goodbye. Yes, I want to delete it. Bye.